with the homie. There's Tony back there. Gonna meet up with the homie and work on his car. Yeah. Huh?
Check those Tito, cuz.
Man.
Or not on the curb, but right before the curb.
Scrape, scrape, scrape. Nice pigu.
Hey, I wouldn't go that way, honestly. Because that part is the steep part of the driveway.
Ah, you got this.
Go.
That part.
Oh yeah.
What the?
You're no bueno, bro. Hey Tim, you park here.
But you seen all this shit?
Yeah.
That's all me going down the road.
Right here.
Am I going in the driveway?
Yeah. Yeah. Jeez. We ready to what? Slam it?
Fuck yeah, she's gonna be on the floor.
What we about
I
to
have
do
to
today?
take my bumper off when we get out. I'll put it back on.
Scrape, 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 scrape. Ah, I'm just playing with it.
I think I'm not.
Did it just auto lock?
Yeah.
Damn, you're hella low. Well.
Oh boy.
Yeah, turn the wheels the other way.
Hey, if you guys are confused,
I know, dude.
you're good. Just go back.
It won't let him go up.
That's why you don't buy a Supra, bro.
The two Beamers? Two BMWs?
I went up here one time with these
Get a shot. Get a shot from the middle of the street.
I'll get it right now.
tires.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Like this is from getting up one time. Like literally, I just brought it up today, like this morning.
Where the springs?
Oh, you want to go get it?
These are nice.
Are they? They guys are pigu.
Huh?
Pigu.
Yeah, that diver is nice banner, bro.
Facts. Facts. These ones are nice.
About a kid, bro.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's you, huh?
That's you, huh? Hell
Fucking horse.
That's you. That's Jair. That's Jair.
Yeah, bro. You know what this is me and this is you, bro.
Huh?
This is me. This is you.
Man.
What the hell you doing? God.
Horse.
It's you, huh?
Yeah. No. That's Tim.
Yeah, see, boys got that longer dates, you know?
Oh my god.
We doing the fronts first or the rears?
What should we do?
So you know you only gotta do it from the back first.
This man. This man. Fronts first? Oh, let's see. What we doing to your car?
Putting some springs in there. We're
Some
gonna be
springs.
saying
God, it's already hot. I'm taking off my
static boys up in this bitch.
What brand this be?
Swift Springs.
Swift Springs.
Bro, you look like fucking uncles just fucking coming outside.
Okay, okay.
I was gonna get the 326 springs, but they didn't have them in my ID.
Huh.
Your house looks like that Fast and Furious house, though.
Oh my god.
I don't think my neighbors like me.
They
One
don't?
time, you know my friend with the Benz?
Oh yeah, the white one, the bald ass
He
tire.
took off his own exhaust. And she was hella loud. He had it in the back for a few days. And then he went around the block and like some two old ass white people came back and they started yelling at me. They're like, "Tell whoever that is to never come back here again." Like, if you see him again, like I'm not calling the police. Damn. I'm with my bare hands.
Oh, what
Oh
the?
boy.
That's assault.
Touching my door is assault?
What did you say?
Touching the door is assault?
I thought you were speaking Chinese for a second.
That's racist.
No.
No, we can't get canceled, guys.
No,
Come on, we
no,
cannot get
nope,
canceled,
nope.
please.
Japanese man.
No,
No,
this
no.
is literally our,
That's
like,
even
third
worse.
day. This is like our first. This is like our second ever video, and we're already gonna get canceled.
Hey, where's 7-Eleven?
Huh?
Water.
You done messed up, boy.
You weren't ready, huh?
Taking flicks. Hey, where's your banner?
Yeah, you gotta do everything before.
Get a banner.
You guys don't even see him.
No.
No,
This
bro.
This BMW.
You got all them JDM symbols on your little banner.
Put it on there, bro.
Euro gang.
Where's the 7-Eleven?
Get a Euro gang sticker.
Euro gang. Euro gang.
A Euro man. Where's this?
Cornering goes all the way down, and then you'll literally see on the right. It's like across the street from home.
I'm gonna get some water. Do you guys want anything?
Okay.
Let's go, people, man.
The Pigu men are leaving. Can one of you guys text
Yeah,
Marco and make sure that he actually gets here?
Who gave Marco the address?
Why?
No,
No one gave it to him.
no,
No one gave it to him.
Chat. I told him to check
He's still gonna be lying.
the only thing I got was a
you're the
Supra.
same like rich type.
All right, then.
You calling?
I only got a Supra.
The bean machine. All right, I'll see you right now.
You don't know what I got.
Boy.
You didn't even back it up.
You gonna do the front first?
And I'm gonna do the fronts first.
Okay, okay,
Because I feel
okay.
like the rear's gonna be a headache.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can.
Good to wake up in the morning. There we go. Star second, baby.
Oh boy. Jacking this boy. Jacking it.
All right, sir. When you're doing the lift, make sure it's like this, all right? So when it drops, you hear.
Yeah, you're good. It's gonna go on the punch. Yeah, we're good.
Slippery like my dick.
Good though. Good.
I will next.
We couldn't.
You got that? You're happy now?
This is the springs we putting in the BMW. This is
Somebody was up on here like this, bro.
oh, you caught Tony.
He caught it.
These shits are damn near fucking gone already.
Hey, bro, these are new springs?
Hell yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
They're the new inner springs.
I should have brought my tool so I could do the other side.
I do not have that.
Yeah, you do.
No, I do not. Yes, you do. I do not have that valve.
Well, you have the oil leak.
Oh yeah, well, I have the valve. I got the valve.
You know, 15?
Talking to people actually doing the work here.
16.
17.
Getting a shot of his ass. Coming for that Pico, Marco. What's up?
Yeah?
I'm gonna eat the fries, though.
You don't need to get fries.
Oh my god, bro, just flashbang yourself.
Why is this so fucking long?
I don't think it's. Hold on.
Oh, you don't take it off? Alright, you can listen it to your liking. I'll listen to that to you.
Because this is just a lets it slide out.
Oh, I see, okay.
I think that's everything.
And now you gotta listen up the top 3, right?
Ah, damn.
I know. Hopefully, it should be good. See how much smaller it is.
just shows we know.
Go down, go one more groove down. Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
You can't hold this side because you're just loosening this one.
Now you can.
There you go. Yeah.
Do it.
You want them dude?
Yeah.
Anyways,
It's uphill, you saw.
that's good.
What are you trying to say? Huh? Hey! Trade? Yeah. Right off him. You ready to put it down?
Put the other side.
Wait, what? Oh.
The other side on.
Get rid of this orange. Corn both are on.
Oh my god, did you budge? Think so? Dang, that's heavy stiff. Oh! I'm trying to go block it, but it fucking. Oh, you hurting your tummy, huh? Tummy hurt. Tummy in my tummy? Is he gushing my pussy?
Record. This is the moment of truth.
See how stiff this shit is.
Just drop it all the way. Oh my goodness.
Is it at least even?
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
You don't know what you're getting yourself into.
These are the not as stiff ones too.
There's nothing in the way.
Why should this fucking monster truck? Oh yeah, because it doesn't compress as much. Yeah.
Bring it back up. Yeah. Well, you're gonna need it like that for now because you're gonna get out. Why is it always the left, right? Yeah.
No fucking way.
What?
I think that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. I think it hit the bottom.
Oh shit.
Man, I got a fucking monster truck now.
Now what?
I'm gonna get some extreme lows from BC.
Oh yeah.
Or fucking saw this shit up.
So, that's maxed out and you want to go from the front. Okay. So you're gonna cut this coil over. And we're not gonna test it at the rear because we don't know if it's gonna fit or not.
So we're done with the day. I'll make another video of the rear. We just did the front. So I'll go. Hey, this is checking Tony. See if he gets stuck. What you think about this? Oh, his wheel? Wait, get out the shadow.
It's coming. Come on, Anthony.
Be good. Oh, what's that? Damn, you trying to be that low?
Damn, that barely went through. That's smiley face, bro.
I know. Drop it halfway. Oh, Pigu. So let him know what happened, bro.
Long story short, the springs were too long. And the fronts, the coils didn't go low enough.
What you about to do?
About to cut them fucking shits. About to do some redneck shit.
You what?
I missed my car.
8 inches, man. Huh?
It just capped.
8 inches?
It just capped, bro.
Where's that ruler? Right here. Extend your finger.
All the way? As far as I
That's
can go.
nice.
8 inches exactly.
Where are you?
I believe
Where are you, motherfucker? Let's go.
Seems about right.
Oh, wait, if we have the same hand size, we should be roughly the same.
Huh?
You right here.
What?
Probably right. I'm not thinking when you go.
I thought it started here.
That's 1 inch.
That's why. So it
That's
starts
an
there.
inch.
Oh, never mind. You're right.
Big bitch.
Wow, it's louder than this.
I'll start so anything that's kind of low.
Yeah, you good? Oh, wait. You're tucking in the back. Look, this the Fitment you want?
I can't see, bro.
This the Fitment you want?
Oh,
damn.
Hey, put it in park. Put the e-brake up.
Oh, shit.
That's what you want?
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
That's what you want?
Dude. Exactly.
You want to drive it like that?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
That's exactly what I want.
That's exactly what you want?
Probably more camber, cause this is where this little shit right here.